Okay, hello everyone. My name is Stuart. I'm the co-founder of Utradea, a platform for investment ideas and insights. Today we are going to be looking at Solana. What I'm going to be looking at is probably slightly different than what you guys are used to. I'm going to be looking at trends from a social sentiment perspective. So what we've built is a social sentiment dashboard that allows us to track the top trending cryptos across Twitter, StockTwits, and Reddit. Obviously, these other two platforms may be not as important, but if you guys are familiar and in the crypto DeFi blockchain space, Twitter is a huge indicator for kind of social sentiment, social trends, and a really great way to keep track of projects, coins, everything related to crypto. So an interesting trend I saw with Solana, and what I'll do is I'll just start off by showing you what happened kind of the last 24 hours or so. So Tuesday, March 8th, we were sitting at about $81, and then over the next kind of three, 4, 5 hours, significant ramp up. Saw a good amount of volume, a few green candles. I mean, look at this candle right here, or this volume spike. But ran up to close to $88. Just kind of held out there. Looks like it's dropping a little bit, but really this big push kind of over the 6-hour time frame. Now, what I noticed is, looking back, and this is something you can track in real time. So if you're holding a number of coins or looking at investing or buying or trading different crypto, this is a super useful tool for you. So if I look at posts, retweets, likes, impressions, essentially this is showing me, the number of posts, retweets, likes, and impressions for anyone or any account that is hashtagging or hashtagging Sol. What we see over the last 24 hours, posts a little bit of an increase. The one I want to look at are retweets and likes. So we see starting at about 3 p.m. There were about, 50,000 retweets related to Sol. And then it started to increase fairly significantly from 3 p.m. till 7 p.m. A big spike here. Similarly, with likes, the number of people liking tweets that had Sol mentioned in it. And the reason I bring this up is if you're keeping track of this real time, this is a trend that would start to stand out. We can see it here on the right. So we saw an increase in posts, which not too significant, comments, a bit of a jump, but 34% increase in likes, 42% increase in impressions over this 24-hour period. So this uptrend was kind of the precursor to what we saw from a market perspective. So as I mentioned, around 6 p.m. is when it really started to take off and move from 81 all the way up to around 88. And this ties very nicely into what we saw from a retweets and likes perspective. So kind of around 6 p.m. is when it started to take off. So if you'd been watching this a few hours before, you'd notice, okay, a lot more people are starting to tweet about Sol. A lot more people are retweeting it, liking, and engaging with it, which is typically a sign that there will be some movement. And that turned out to be the case with regards to this price action that we saw. So that's really just what I wanted to highlight. As I said, super useful tool for keeping tabs on what's trending on Twitter. We just looked at Sol in this case, but you can use it for a number of other coins or crypto that you own. So super useful to keep track of it from that perspective, or if you're looking at doing a trade, swing trade, whatever it may be, a great kind of data point to help your analysis. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I left a link to the social sentiment dashboard in the description below. Please like and subscribe. That'd be awesome. And happy investing.